You know. I got hit with the end of day delivery. You know what that means? It is like past 6 p.m. and I'm just now getting my XS Max. I was even gonna slide to the store, grab an Apple Watch today to have the combo unboxing, double unboxing and all that happening. But no, I got hit with end of day. But we're not gonna fuss and scream about it. Yes, we are. My name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech, sneakers, and anything creative. Today we're about to get into this bad boy right here. Hey, I'm telling y'all something. There's something about the grip. I don't know how they did it. 2 pieces of glass, but for some reason, I feel comfortable doing this right now. And I haven't even had this thing for less than or more than 30 minutes. Get one of these, quit complaining. Yeah, Apple, you wrong. You dead ass wrong for this. You can fit one of these inside the box. You know what I'm saying? Make the cutout, throw one of these iPad chargers in here and call it a day. It's 95% charged out of the box. That's actually surprising. I did not expect that. Most devices come with the battery super drained. Yo, good looking Apple, they hooked it up. I highly recommend at all times when you get a new device, charge it full right out the box. So let's talk about it, baby. You see what it is? It's in my hand, gold color. I've been waiting for someone to make a gold smartwatch. Now I know Apple, they did their gold series on this, I think it was the series 1, but man, you see how much they was hitting for that? Yo, look, player. Cause I got one of those series 4s, all gold, Milanese joints on its way though. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't get it tonight, even though I checked out like super fast. I was like the first thing I bought, but apparently the 44mm stainless steel Apple Watch Series 4 is like super duper popular. Here it is, you already know, the iPhone XS Max. Now, Apple, I'm gonna keep it 1,000, bruh. Man, y'all must have like 1 billion of these just sitting in the warehouse that you're just trying to run through before you ever upgrade to giving us something like this. I don't know what it is. Yeah, profit margin, profit margin, profit margin. And no, they didn't give us the dongle. I'm not attached to that. I'm adopting the wireless life. I have my Beats X wireless headphones that I'm enjoying. I love to use those. Also got the AKG N60 things that came with the Note 9 for free. I mean, you know, but they're Bluetooth and wired. Not that I can use the wire with the iPhone, but I just thought I'd throw that out there. My only gripe with that is I know a lot of hustlers out here that get it the way that they supposed to get it, not the wrong way, but you know what I'm saying? A lot of business, entrepreneur-minded people that have that Square Cash thing, so they can swipe the card, take the transaction while they out and about. What's up without giving us the jack? For my entrepreneur people. Now, all the people who are attached to wired audio and headphones, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. It's 2018? It's almost 2019, I get it. It's great, it's awesome. I love Bluetooth. Never thought I would say that, but I love Bluetooth audio, it's cool. It's getting better, you know what I'm saying? About a year, you know, just keep getting better. We got a ways to go. Now come back for more videos. I'm gonna do first impression, you know, all the little reviews and whatever other ideas I come up with about this bad boy to talk about. So hit the comment section down below. Any questions, any things or concerns that you might have about this device, anything you wanna know, I'll make sure to address it in the next vid and, you know, hook y'all up with as much info as I can or in the following videos, you know what I'm saying? Now, I am gonna do an experience of the Galaxy Watch on the iPhone platform as well as when I get that Apple Watch. You already know I gotta get into that. I love smartwatches, so we're gonna be talking about that too. Obviously, I got the Note 9 here. We're gonna go head to head, you know what I mean? Clash a couple heads, disappoint a couple people. I'll give my honest opinion on how I feel about this Note 9 in comparison to the iPhone XS Max. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna be real. You already know my preference is iOS because we all know when it comes all around pound for pound, this is like the best phone. But when it comes to experience and actually delivering, this is the phone. When it comes to being the pound for pound all around champ, this is the phone. But what matters most? User experience to me. That's why I tend to lean more towards the iOS route. But I mean, as far as features and you guys know how I feel, man. So I'm waiting on screen protection to come in. You already know. Whitestone Dome plug will be in full effect, showing you how to throw that bad boy on here. Actually, you know what? I got a couple cases in the house. Should we go ahead and, I don't know if I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna wait on that one. But I got some cases in the house. You already know case videos coming. But to be honest, man, the most beautiful way to probably rock this thing, and I hate to say it, it's probably naked, but I'm not taking that risk. I'm not shattering that glass. You know what I mean? I don't have Apple Care on this. I got it on the watch, but not on there. Why? Because I usually keep a case. I'm usually smart. I usually got the protective measures going on. But hey, I got time since I bought it if I want to throw that thing on there. But they want a nice chunk of change for Apple Care. And they got the payment plan, Apple Care. And so, oh man, hey yo, Apple, man, you guys know how to get that paper. You know how to make it affordable for, kind of affordable, but yeah, anyways, I'm done, man. I keep on rambling on. My name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech. You just watched me kinda unbox the iPhone XS Max. I'm coming back, first impressions, reviews, head-to-heads, and all that, you know what I mean? We're gonna get down to the bottom of this. We're gonna find out what really is, or in my opinion, the best between these two. Why, even though I had an iPhone 10, which I don't have anymore, I've given it to a loved one of mine, would I jump to this? Give you a hint.